Hello, I'm Avika Agarwal and I come from a family of doctors. Both my mom and dad are doctors and I also have a younger brother who's currently in 5th grade. I joined Akash Faridabad in class 10 where I had 1 year of foundation course and 2 years of NEET coaching. Well, I've always wanted to become a doctor since I was a little child. Growing up, I've always watched my parents and how they could change the glow of people's faces. And there have been numerous instances where I see that people come in with one expression and they go out with this happily bright face, and I too want to be part of this community. Well, my father is still in touch with some of his college friends, and when I got to know that his son cleared NEET with amazing marks, we had a chit chat with them. And that's when they shared their experience of Akash Faridabad, and that's why it was a no-brainer for me to choose Akash as my partner for this journey. Well, I divided my strategy into major and minor goals. NEET was always my major goal. The minor goals were to go home every day, revise what is being taught, practice questions and make sure I have no doubts left. For that, I made sure I have no communication gap with my teachers, and that was really not a problem. All the teachers at my center are super friendly and approachable. I would go next day, have my doubts cleared, and that's what kept me consistent throughout this journey. Questions are a must part of the NEET journey, and Akash helped me every step of the way. Be it our packages, which included Know Your NCERT, NCERT Maps, and Momentum Booster, they helped me really strengthen my concepts and get understanding of each and every line of NCERT. Not only that, we had enormous amounts of tests, and they helped me pinpoint my exact weak areas and with my strength weakness analysis. Throughout the 2 years, we had a lot of exams. Firstly were the PTs, which helped us keep our studies in track and helped me give a schedule of how to study and what to study. Secondly, we had the term exams, which helped me give the real mock test feel. And thirdly, we had the all India level Akash test series known as the AIATS, which told me where I stood at the all India level. Lastly, in the last month, we also had the final test series, which had both part as well as full syllabus test. The part syllabus test helped me pinpoint whether I was comfortable in giving a test of a particular topic or not, while the full syllabus ones gave me the real exam feel. NCERT is the Bible when it comes to the NEET exam. For inorganic chemistry and biology, doing NCERT line by line is a no-brainer. But apart from this, there are many points and perks hidden in NCERT asked in NEET. For example, in physics, summary, points to pointer and back exercises become very important, and for organic chemistry, physical properties play a very crucial role in deciding your marks. The last months before NEET are primary in deciding our rank and score in the final NEET exam. For my last month strategy, I preferred to consolidate all my 2 years of understanding into short notes and revision notes, where I made sure I put all my weak areas and volatile topics. Akash's role was really big in my last month of NEET preparation. We had the final test series going on, which helped me with my strengthness and weakness analysis and also helped me pinpoint those areas which still needed some work to do. I had my teachers help me along the way, and any topic which I used to ask them to explain me, they did it well in time. Not only that, I also made sure that if there's some topic that's needed some brushing up, I did that. Throughout this journey, I faced many ups and downs, and sometimes I even got low scores, but my teachers and parents never let me get demotivated. If they saw that I am weak in a particular subject, they would give me time and help overcome my weaknesses. Not only this, my parents had a huge role in my journey, because apart from being my parents, they're also professors for other aspiring doctors, and therefore their role was not just limited at the emotional level. They also helped me with my strategic planning, my emotions, dealing with low marks, stress and other problems, so they definitely had a really big role in my journey. My advice for the future NEET aspirants would be to always have that belief in yourself. There are numerous points जहाँ पे we feel demotivated या ऐसा लगता है कि शायद this is not the right path for us. But I think surround yourself with people that make you believe कि नहीं, this is your journey and you are here to make it. You are going to make worth of yourself out of this paper, so always and always believe in yourself. At last, I just want to say give it your best shot and make sure to stay healthy, and all the best.